Hi, I'm Peter Llewellyn with CreativeOnlineSchool.com. In this session, I will be explaining how to create a vintage effect using Photoshop. Step 1. Open Photoshop if you haven't already. Now, locate the image you'd like to alter. Step 2. Hover over the Image tab at the top of the screen and select Adjustments, then Gradient Map. Click on the color selector and choose a black and white gradient. Step 3. Now, hover over the Filter tab and select Noise, then Add Noise. Step 4. Click Monochromatic in the Noise menu. Step 5. All done. We now have a finished image.